Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset your Harman Kardon portable speaker. And to do this we'll need to pick up our speaker. You can also see that it is connected with my Android smartphone right here, and it will disappear after the reset. So after we've picked up our portable speaker, you can press on the volume down button and volume up button at the same time. Hold these two buttons and look on the LED lamp right here. After about 10 seconds the LED lamp will flash in red, and then it will perform factory reset on this portable speaker. Here it is, and as you can see we can't connect to it anymore. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.